In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in MiniMax. Aspect ratio simply describes the shape of your image, the relationship between width and height. Choosing the right one up front helps your image fit perfectly wherever it will be used, like square for profiles, landscape for banners, or vertical for mobile stories. Here's how to set it inside MiniMax using the built-in image generator. Start by opening your browser and going to minimax.io. This is the home base for MiniMax's tools. Once the page loads, click Log In. You'll need to be signed in to access the creative features. Keep your login details private and secure, and continue only when you're on your dashboard or the main landing area. Next, click MiniMax AI Video. Despite the name, this is where MiniMax groups its creative generation tools, including images. It routes you into the Hailuo workspace so you can pick the medium you want to create. Inside Hailuo, choose Image. This switches you to image generation, which is exactly where aspect ratio is controlled. Now look for the resolution options beneath the prompt area. This is the key. Those resolution presets correspond to different aspect ratios. For example, a square option represents 1:1 and works great for avatars or grid posts. A wide landscape option matches 16.9 and is ideal for banners, slides, and thumbnails. A tall portrait option like 9:16 is perfect for mobile-first content such as stories and short videos. Click the resolution row to open the choices. Click the preset you want. When you select it, you're effectively setting the aspect ratio for your next image. Think about where the image will be used and pick accordingly. If you're designing for a phone screen, go vertical. If you're aiming for a widescreen display, choose landscape. Your selection should now be highlighted so you know it's active. With the shape set, type your prompt in the text box. Be clear and specific about the subject, style, and details you care about. If composition matters, mention elements like centered subject, wide background, or tight portrait to guide framing. The aspect ratio ensures the canvas shape. Your prompt guides what fills that space. Finally, click Generate, or use the white button below to start the render. The system will create an image in the aspect ratio you selected. If the framing isn't what you expected, you can adjust your prompt for composition or return to the resolution picker and choose a different preset, then generate again. That's it. You've changed the aspect ratio in MiniMax by selecting the right resolution in Hailuo's image tool before generating your artwork.